Okay, we are making ugali. If you want to make ugali, you add cups of water, and this is 2 cups of water. This is the cup of water. Maybe you can take another cup, but for us today we are using this one. You take these 2 cups of water, add to the cooking pot. You wait for it to boil, and then after that we add maize meal and then cook it. So for now we are going to wait for the water to boil first, or you can cover the water for it to cook first, or you can just leave it like that and then wait for it to boil. Okay, now the water is cooked. You can show them the water now. Yeah, the water is cooked. So you add this one. You add small quantity first, and then you wait. Then here we have our cooking stick. Yeah, this one. So this one you use to mix it like this. You mix while you add the cooking flour, the maize flour, a little by a little, little by little, little by little. And so this is how we make ugali. Just little by little.
Do you use salt or pepper?
No, you don't add anything. It's only water and maize flour. No salt, no ingredient, no nothing. You knead it like this with the cooking stick for sometimes, maybe for 5 minutes or maybe for 3 minutes, and then when you feel it's a bit hard, or when you feel it's cooked, like there is a certain smell on it, then it's okay. Make sure you knead it very well. And now it's already cooked. My ugali is already cooked. After that, you put the ugali on a plate. Here we have our ugali. When you're done, you can keep the rest. Oh, and this is our ugali.